How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly upload a game to itch.io. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you have to do is when you log into your itch.io account, on the dashboard, you should see an option where you get to upload a new game, and it looks a little something like this. Now, when you upload a game, it goes on to say that it is a fairly simple process. You would need to upload a zip file of your game, and off you go. And you can customize the listing page to your liking, adding screenshots, GIFs, descriptions, and whatnot, and even showing some video gameplay, which I'll get into later. But the first thing I need to note is that when you upload a big file or a big batch of files for your game and assets and whatnot to itch.io, it will only accept it if it's in zip form. So you can't upload the raw files. It has to be in zip form. So once you guys got that down, simply upload the game, and you can actually get to adding screenshots and what do you call this? Screenshots, the name of your game, description, and gameplay videos for your store page or listing. And it looks a little something like this. So upload your indie game to itch.io for free. We host the game along with your game screenshots and whatnot. And it looks something like this. Now, as far as the supported engines go, I believe it supports Unity, so any games made by Unity, also by Unreal and whatnot, and all of them should work just the same. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. Now you guys can probably start making money when people play your game on itch.io. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.